Hi, it's Mark from Mark of the Cyberbeast. Here you go. Today's drop, we're going to talk about something that's really cool and practical for preserving the look and really finessing the look of the interior of your Cybertruck. Now, we're going to talk about some carbon fiber, and I don't mean vinyl wraps. I mean actual carbon fiber, legit lightweight carbon fiber. These are inserts for your door from Cyberbeast. Now, a couple things about this. The interior black, I like the whiteout interior. I'm a big fan of the whiteout seats. But there's that black trim. And black seems to always get the dirtiest, the easiest. Whether it's pollen or dust or anything else seems to show up more. Well, for me, it's this stuff called Optimal Amino that I take after my workout Monday through Friday. There's these pills and they're kind of like chalky. And there's always, invariably, every day a white kind of dust on my hand. So whether it be the steering wheels or the door, this white dust gets everywhere, and then you have to just wipe it down. So I found something from Cyberbeast that I kind of like, and I think it's going to help prevent this. Now, here's what it looks like. You're going to get 4 of these, 1 for each door. But Cyberbeast sent me 2 sets of front door because the front and the rear are different shapes and sizes. So I'm only going to show you the front door. Now, this carbon fiber, you'll see the red material, that's your double-sided tape, okay? So what you'll do is you'll peel that back, okay? And then you're going to go ahead and place it right here on the door. Now, we're going to go to the passenger side where I already installed it. And I'm going to show what it looks like and how it behaves. Now, a couple things about the carbon fiber. They also have other products, and we might be looking to get some more of those. So you can actually carbon fiber pretty much the whole interior of your truck. And I'm going to show you what parts they have in just a second. So right here, if you look down here, there's that carbon fiber look. It looks very OEM, goes right over the door sill. It's not that faux leather material where if you have that white powder like I have on my hands, it leaves a white mark. This is that carbon fiber feel, and it shouldn't really leave that white mark like the panel underneath here does. So it just pops right on, and the double-sided tape holds it in place. Now, Cyberbeast, I know they've got more than just a couple, but for instance, up here, where your hazard and your drive, park, neutral, reverse gear changing right up here, there's also carbon fiber for here. They also have carbon fiber around your drink in your center console. And I believe a new feature they have too to help match this out is they have a carbon fiber goes right across the top here as well. So you have carbon fiber here and here. Now, as we get more of those to test, we're going to do some videos and show you what a carbon fiber interior looks like. In fact, they also have some carbon fiber, whether it be around the center console, but also in the front as well. I believe also too, the triangle in front they also have is carbon fiber cover on it as well. I know they've got it on the steering wheel. The steering wheel is actually a 2 or 3 part kit. And same thing, it kind of just pops right in place, double-sided tape. I believe it's got 1 on the top and 1 on each side and the bottom, but you might be able to see a little bit on the steering wheel. There's like these white spots, and that's from this right here. These pills I take after my workout with my Optimal Amino drink. It's a little extra protein. But just to give you an idea of how easy this thing is to go on, you've got this, you're going to take off your double-sided tape. I'm not going to do that right now because I'm holding the camera. It's going to make it a little difficult. But you'll see it clips on right here. So that goes right here in the handle area. So you pop that in there. You feel that. You heard that pop in. And you really don't even need to use a double-sided tape. This pops right in. It looks pretty neat. Again, you match it up with some other carbon fiber on here, and I think you're going to have a nice custom looking vehicle on the interior, as well as being a lot easier to clean. Heck, again, it could also be used as your aunt or your grandma's sofa. Remember the plastic you put over it to go ahead and protect it, and they put the plastic on it for 30, 40 years. They pass away, and then you take that plastic off, and then you're selling brand new furniture that no one wants because it looks 30, 40 years old. Same type of concept. So I'm sure like in 10, 15 years, you go to sell it, you pop this thing right off, and it's gonna look brand new underneath, and everything else will look worn. Them's the breaks. Anyway, so that's the carbon fiber from EV Base. We have a link below for this part. Plus, I'm gonna put some links below the other carbon fiber parts that we'll probably be reviewing in the coming weeks. But we wanna make sure that you guys don't get the vinyl wrap, get the actual carbon fiber cover. It's not a plastic, it's actually carbon fiber. It's light as anything. In fact, these are the extra set there they gave me. This is super, super light. I'm looking at the back of it, and it's carbon fiber. But again, you'll get a set for the front, a set for the back. They just happen to send me two sets for the front, and they don't fit the back. Anyway, that's your carbon fiber interior. Hope you liked today's episode, and maybe you look at some of the other products from EV Base. They do have some really cool stuff. I talked to you about that flag holder the other day we had at the auto show. I can't seem to find it on their website. I couldn't put the link below, but maybe reach out to them and ask them for that part number. That thing is really cool. Raise your Doge flags and fly your Doge flags around town at those protests. All right, guys, gals, everyone, Cybertruckians, we're gonna see you again tomorrow. As always, hit like, hit comment, hit subscribe, and I'll see you then.